Hello YouTube. Yeah, the purpose of this video. Sorry, I blanked out. Everyone has gone through it before. Your phone screen broke. The lens on the LCD on your camera broke. So for this camera, I've actually just took out the LCD, so it's right here. I don't know if the camera can pick it out too much, but you can tell there's a couple cracks in it, because I actually have put it at the bottom of my bag. This is at the bottom, dropped it, and it's all gone. So what you can actually do is I went ahead, I bought one online. I just want to make sure it's the right one first, otherwise this video will be quite pointless. And it's actually not that hard. If you have in the past disassembled something, like disassembled a laptop or disassembled a cell phone, it's actually not that hard. Let's see what we got here. So yeah, it's just basically a card saying like rate me 5 stars, this is who you sent it from. So this is this replacement screen. I quite say it is quite similar, if not exact. So yeah, this should do. The one difference, of course, there's no cracks. And what you can do is actually just take it out. This particular kit I got actually came with a screwdriver, a couple of these these pliers, which actually you can use for doing screen repairs for an iPhone, iPod Touch, stuff like those. I've actually had a pair. I actually don't really need these, but I do have a pair somewhere in my room. So, I don't know if you can see that. It's not a flathead. It looks like a Torx 4, Torx 6. It's a small Torx. And what I'm actually going to do is kind of step you guys through with this. So let's get started. Okay, so I got out my screwdriver kit here. So basically I got a little bunch of different heads. This is my old screen, and I gotta be careful with this one. Just keep it like that for now. For this particular model, this is Sony Alpha 350. Unfortunately, this one does not record video. I wish it kind of did, but I can't really complain too much. This was actually given to me as a gift. So you can say it's a pretty nice gift for its, well, it's not the best camera out there, but yet it does the job for me. Now, for each camera, it's actually different how you remove it. You kind of just have to, especially for the screen, because of the ribbon cable, you kind of just have to dismantle it. You just gotta be a little bit careful so you don't like damage any of the ribbon cables, lose any screws, something like that. I thought I could just remove it without actually taking this bracket off, but it doesn't seem to be like that right now. Just trying to find an alternative, because I could fully dismantle it and be done with the video, but I think I want to take my time, because I'd rather do this nicely instead of rush through it. And if you're not too sure exactly what you do, here's a tip. Pace yourself. And what I mean by that is not really pace yourself. Take your time, and if you want to, write everything down. Because when you write everything down, then you have a better sense of what exactly happened. And be very descriptive when you write it down. Okay, so there we go. Didn't have to do too much work there. Everything snaps back. Oh, so I could removed it. I'm just gonna put these screws back. And it actually helps a lot if you have like a tray or something to put all the screws in. So then you don't lose all the screws, of course. So, sorry about this, guys. I made a mistake. It's okay. It's good to make mistakes. It's good to make mistakes. It's good to learn from your mistakes. But if you don't learn from your mistakes, well, I don't know what to say. I don't really feel like editing this part out. Well, here, I'll show you guys this part. As you can see here, just a ribbon cable attachment, so you just plug it in. My camera's not the best. I would probably look for one that will autofocus during recording. I know the DSLRs will, but I'm not really in the budget for spending a big one like that. So, if you're not sure how a ribbon cable works, it's not the hardest thing to learn. You just practically just slip it in, and then you lock it down. So this one right there, and lock it down. And before you do anything, always remove the battery. Sorry about that, guys. I actually didn't notice my camera turned off. The memory card was full. I had to delete some stuff. So, what I did, I put the screen back on. I also tested it. So, you can see here, my screen shows it's alive. The color is not as good as I remember it to be. I don't know if it's just me or something. Yeah, the color's definitely off. But you know what? I get to see again. That is fine. When I plug it back in my computer, it's all good. So, I'm okay. I don't know if there's a configuration issue about the color quality. Well, that is basically my video of how to replace a screen. I'm terribly sorry if like some of the parts got cut off because my memory card was filled up, but maybe that's a lesson for me to learn next time. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you guys actually have any other videos of you guys repairing screens or doing some minor repairs, let's say an iPhone button or something. I should have made a video before when my 3GS broke. Just respond to this video. Post it up. Show the world. That's all I gotta say. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is 12/24/93 out, and I hope you guys have a wonderful summer.